This video, we're going to add our own option to this drop-down list here, and it's going to be just to show all the products on sale. I'm going to head over into my snippet here, and you'll see that we have the sale low to high, and if I scroll down, we'll have the sale high to low. And you'll see that in order to output the information, we have two functions which access WooCommerce filters. So the one looks at the order by and the default catalog order by options, and you'll see this is the human readable form, which is the sale high to low. And you'll see here that we are sorting then by sale descending. And if I just go up to the previous function, you will see that we have that the sale descending is the same as the sale descending here. And the reason for that is that in order for the two to match up and identify each other, those two values must be the same. And then over here, we just have a standard query. We're querying by meta key. It's a meta value number, and we're setting it to be in this descending order. The order by value is set to the get order by, so it's getting it from the list, and then applies the filters from WooCommerce, and the combination of the two then one outputs the correct name for our filter, and this one here makes sure that only these products are then going to appear in the list. So only the sale items will appear in the list, and it's pretty much the same for sale low to high. I'm going to scroll down, I'm going to save the changes and activate. Then I'm going to head over to the website and I'm going to refresh, and now you'll see that in our filter list we now have this sale low to high. So if I go sale low to high, you will then see that the only items in the list will be items that are on sale. And if I, in another way, then do sale high to low, then we'll have the same items, but now the pricing will be from the highest price down to the lowest price. So that's pretty much then how you can add sale prices to the drop down. However, just to remember that if we look here at the default sort, at the default query here, you can put whatever standard query you would like. You can then put into the fields meta key, order by, and all the standard queries apply, and then you can create your own sort for the drop down list. So that's pretty much it. That's how you can add the sale to the list, or you can adapt to add any other property that you'd like. Hope you found that interesting. Thank you for watching. The code will be in the first comment below the video.